Hi guys, so today I want to do a video concerning AI tools, right, and AI stack for beginners, because in my last video I talked about how you can create an AI apps, and a lot of people have been flooding my DMs and my comments about, oh, where do I need to start as a beginner? Do I need to start by creating my own AI apps? I don't even understand these tools. I still need to learn some of them, even though I've watched your videos, and there are a lot of questions about where to start as a beginner. So I want to do this video to literally explain what you need to do as a beginner, because not everybody can literally start to create apps from scratch right now, because even though you can use these tools to do them yourself, you still need to understand, for you to be able to create a complete AI app, there are a lot of things to understand about software development. Now, I know I have a background on software development, but that's the reason why I'm able to use the AI. I'm able to use the AI because recently I've been geeking out on how to use these tools even better, because it's a new technology and everybody's also trying to learn as much as possible. But for a total beginner without any understanding of this stuff, it will be a little bit difficult, so you need to also learn. But however, let me walk you through what you need to do right now if you want to start making money online as a beginner, the tools that you can start using one after the other. So let's go straight into it. The first thing you want to do is you want to first think about, how do I use AI? You can use AI first to generate ebook, and this will be your gateway to start creating your digital product, because if you use AI right now to create digital ebook, you can start making money with it, right? So this is like the first place that I always tell people to go. This is the first route I always ask people to go by. So now imagine for somebody like you, maybe you love gardening or anything you like at all, right? Whatever it is that you are passionate about. Now, instead of writing 100-page yourself, talking about how you like this thing, what people can do about it, you want to teach them, you can use AI, right? And prompt AI based on your experience in that thing that you do. You prompt the AI, within 1 hour, you will get a complete ebook. I'm not even kidding you, right? All you need to do now with that ebook is to begin to edit the ebook into your own brand, and that's all. Before you know it, you have a complete ebook that is AI written for you. But all you need now is your ideas. Now, the guy that created ChatGPT, his name is Sam Altman. The guy said that right now we are in the age of ideas. Well, what you need now is an idea. The technology to bring the idea to life is now available. So think about what you know how to do. Your personal experience, they are so valuable right now, more than ever. So, and that is how you can create your first perfect digital product. Now, if you want to do this, let me walk you through the tools that you need for you to start to create this particular digital product step by step. The first thing is AI writer. Obviously, we can use ChatGPT. Now, what do you want to use it for? You want to use it for research. You want to use it for outlining your ebook. You want to use it as the first draft, not as a complete product. I know why, right? You can also choose to use Claude if you are going for longer content. So you just write them, because Claude is able to think in a way that it gives you a lot more details than ChatGPT without you prompting very well. But if you know how to prompt, you can just use your ChatGPT to do that. That is step number 1. Now, your step number 2 is you want to use Canva. Everybody know Canva, right? Canva is a design tool. You can use it to design your cover, right? You even design the interior of your ebook. You can use Canva for that. Another thing you can do with Canva is you can use the Canva Magic Design. This is an AI feature inside of Canva that can literally help you to generate the layout of your ebook or whatever thing you're trying to create in Canva. All these are AI generated for you. All you need to know now is to have the idea on how to do them. Like I'm giving you the ideas now, just go use them on Canva and you'll get something very, very good. Now, step number 3 in this whole part 1 of how you can make money with this whole thing is publishing, right? You go to Gumroad. I talk about Gumroad all the time. Go to Gumroad or Etsy and go and put your product on those platforms. And the good thing is you don't have to pay them a dime for this. They are all free platforms to upload your digital products. So if you look at it carefully, you will see that all these things, the AI writer, the design Canva, the publishing, these are all like ingredients you need. Let's say you want to cook a meal, right? You need the various ingredients that you need, then put them together, then you have a complete meal. That is how we are going to be using AI. We'll be using AI as part and parcel of our tools, right? Use ChatGPT, use Canva, use publishing. Before you know it, you have a complete digital product that is no different. If you know how to cook, then you know how to create a digital product. Let's look at the second thing you can do right now as a beginner. Now, as a beginner, you can use AI to create your videos, right? Video is so important. Video sells like magic. Video sells a lot. But the issue when it comes to video is that it's scripting. People don't know how to craft a very good and compelling stories. And people don't also know how to do video, like shoot video record videos professionally, and also after that they don't know how to do video editing. That is where this whole thing about AI video comes to play, because with AI video creation you will be able to create a video without getting exhausted trying to edit, trying to script, trying to film the video yourself. Just enter an AI video tools, right, and it will turn any blog post or any article into a powerful video in minutes. And let me show you some of the tools that you can use to do this. So the first tool is AI video generator, which is a very good one, right? This Pictory has been in existence for a while. Even before this ChatGPT and all that, we've always had this particular Pictory.ai creating videos using AI. So it's not new, right? So what this one does is it turns text into a video. And you can also use HeyGen. HeyGen will literally use your face, will use your own picture to create videos for you. You can see it here. You can literally create your own video using HeyGen, and the stuff will be speaking as if you're the one speaking, making gestures at the same time, right? So the next stack you want to do, once you know how to use HeyGen to create the video, the next thing you want to use is for voiceover, right? Because voiceover is a little bit different. Now, the good thing is you can have your voiceover done separately on a different platform, then carry the voiceover, take it to a video generating tool to now create your own video together with the voiceover. The best place here is 11 Labs. 11 Labs is the best. You can start for free and it sounds like human. And if you even want to pay for 11 Labs, you can put your own voice and it will generate your own voice for you. This is a very, very good place to be if you really don't want to show your face and you don't want to go through this whole thing. You want to do everything with AI. The next one here is editing. Right now, CapCut, yes, we know that CapCut edits video for you, right? If you choose to edit, you can edit with CapCut. CapCut has an AI feature whereby you will just click and it will search for all the places that you have all the places that you have right, something like that. CapCut will cut it for you, and every place that you repeat, you make repetition, CapCut will also cut it. Not only CapCut, you can also use Glink AI, right? Glink AI does the same thing. In fact, I use Glink AI. With Glink AI, you can literally just put your video, it will cut everything in your video, edit it for you, just go through it and make small adjustments, and you can literally download the video and you have video well edited for you. That's another tool you can use for video if you want to go with this option number 2. Then the final part here is hosting, right? Now you don't need to pay for hosting. Once you have your video, YouTube can host your video for you for free, just like I'm doing, and YouTube is hosting my video for me without me paying, and you guys are able to watch the video and I'm not paying anything for it, right? Another platform you can use is Sellfy, right? Sellfy, but it's a paid video courses, right? If you want to sell your video online, you can use Sellfy to sell your video. You can use tools also like System.io, your own hosted platform. So all these things, you don't have problem with them. The most important part is that you have your video created for you, you have your voice over, you have your editing part with Glink AI or CapCut, and you are good to go. You have video, you can host it on your YouTube, and this is how you create another content that you can start selling on the internet, especially if you want to create a course with it. Now, step number 3 to use AI to make money on the internet as a beginner is creating of templates and printables. This is a passive income machine, literally, right? Templates are gold, right? People are making so much money with templates because they are so convenient, right? Templates are solving the issues of convenience. Now, an AI can help you to design a done for you template frameworks in minutes that anybody can use, right? I call this the templatic method, where you can just templatize your ideas and people can just plug and play. So maybe you know how to do gardening and you have steps and processes on how to do them. You give it ChatGPT and say, turn it into a template. ChatGPT will turn it into a template. People can use your steps. People can use your steps and approach to create their own products. So templates are very good. Let me give you the stacks if you want to go by creating templates. The first thing is an AI brainstorming tool, right? First thing you want to use tool like ChatGPT to say, okay, generate me an in-demand Canva template ideas for whatever niche you are into. Let's say if you are into weight loss, or you are into how to make money online, or you are into digital marketing, whatever it is that you are into, you ask ChatGPT to create you a template, 10 template based on that. So you brainstorm first. That is how you go about it. Once you see what you like, because at the end of it, if you don't choose based on what you like and based on what you know how to work with, you're not helping yourself, right? So the next thing is still Canva. You see Canva is appearing again, ChatGPT is appearing again. So use Canva to create the design. You can use Magic Design for it. and it will create for you, resize it for you in the template, resize it for you in a size that you can use on Etsy, Instagram, Pinterest, any of the platform you want to upload this template on. That Canva tool can help you do that. Then we go to the next one. Next thing you need is where to sell this product, right? You can sell them on Etsy, which is basically where most people sell their templates, because people, when they are looking for a template to buy, they always go to Etsy, and that is why Etsy is so important and so valuable. So you can go to Etsy. Another option is to go to Gumroad. There is 0 fees. You sell your product and you keep all your money 100% most of the time, right? So you can use these two platforms for selling your template. Then let me give you another bonus. I have a bonus platform that I use. It's called gamma.ai. It will generate full presentation for you or document from a particular prompt. This is very good if you want to create your own course or you want to create something that is detailed. It can be template, it can be knowledge, whatever it is. Use this gamma.ai. It's very good for especially full AI presentations based on your ideas, based on the information that you feed into Gamma app, and you get that done. So just imagine, right, you create one template and that one template sold for 10 times. Like you have a template that you are selling for $5 and you are able to send 100 of them. If you can sell 100 templates, that is $500. Now $500 is not a small money at all. That is already running into millions if you're in a place like Nigeria, right? So but again, let's look at it now. If you have $500, apart from that $500 that you have right now in one particular digital product, you can now decide to scale it up, right, and create 10 different digital products. Because once you start making money with one, you can always begin to scale and start making money with others. That's how this internet marketing and internet business works. So you can now create 10 different templates to do different kind of stuff. If you do the math, you will see that this $500 it will turn into 5,000, and this can be per month or in every 3 months, or depend on how you're putting your energy into it. You can choose to now begin to use paid advert, right, to take it to another level. If you want to use paid adverts, you begin to see that you are making more money, right? Paid advert, like let's say you are using Facebook ad, right? Let's say you are using Facebook ad, then you choose to now add Google ad to it. So far you know you are making money. Then you also go and add, let's say you add TikTok ad, then you are making so much money. You can start banking up to $5,000 a month. Because when you're running Facebook ads or TikTok ad for something that is working, you can easily scale and it's predictable from that point onward. So it's easy for you to move. Then the next way we can make money right now is what I made video about in my last video. So in my last video, I talked about how you can start creating your own AI apps, and that was why people started asking me, if I don't know how to create AI apps, what do I do? How do I start making money? How do I understand this AI thing? So I believe that if you start by creating your own ebook, you understand how to use the app, then you go by creating your videos. If you still want to go that route, you go by creating templates. By then you will be able to know how to start using AI to create your apps, because at the end of the day, it's all about prompts and basic understanding of how application works, and all that you can watch them on YouTube to get a lot of knowledge, or watch most of my video where I talk about them. Now this is where I get a lot of fun, right? Building custom AI apps like chatbots, that you can create a content generator for yourself or for somebody else. Any niche at all, you can create a calculator, and you can do all these things without coding, like I showed you guys in my previous video. It's so crazy, mind-blowing. I created something that is worth 10 billion naira, right? I created an app and I did it live within 40 minutes or so, right? About an hour, without any prior preparation. Now imagine I take my time to prepare for that app, do it like the way I'm doing my other apps. I will have a very good app that is ready for the market. By the way, I have apps already that are on the pipeline that will soon be dropping around digital products and how you can also make money with those apps. Once they drop, I will let you know. So if you want to do this, look at the stack that I use when it comes to building AI apps, right? This is one of my favorite stuff to do right now, and let me show you what I do. First thing, for some of you who don't know about, you can use something like Bubble, right? Bubble is very good visual programming, but that is the first area, right? Another thing you can use is Software. Now Software, you can also use Software to create your AI app. But guess what? Now even these ones used to be like the simplest thing to use to create AI apps. Nowadays, the best thing now is that you have new guys in the block, and these guys are like Winsoft AI. We have other guys like Repli. We have Bold.new guys. There are tools now. You have Lovable. All these are apps, AI coding apps that you can use. They are AI themselves, and you can use them to create your own AI apps. Oh my god, like it's so good. You guys need to go and watch the previous video that I made about the steps, you will love it. See, the whole essence is you see your ideas turning to life before your very eyes. It's crazy, it's mind-blowing. So you guys go and try it out. Now, when you are using these apps, you need to remember to also power these apps if you want to make them very, very useful and very, very powerful. Always use an AI engine to power it. For instance, you can make sure your app is integrated with things like ChatGPT so that your app can literally be AI enabled and can think for the users, can produce results by just receiving questions from the users. And that's what makes it crazy. Another thing you can do also, you can integrate an automation tool like make.com to automate what is happening on the background of your AI app. I will do videos about this stuff. You guys will love it. Like, you will love it. If you see what I'm building behind the scenes right now, it's crazy. Then you can go and host some of these apps. After creating them, you host them on platforms like DigitalOcean. It's a simple cloud server for hosting. But with the new guys on the block now, you have things like Vercel, you have things like Netify. All these are the new guys in the block, and they are very good, free of charge to host your AI apps. All right, then after hosting, the next thing is, what's the next thing, guys? The next thing is monetization. How do you sell? Right, you want to integrate things like Stripe so that people can start paying you and you can be receiving money from it. If you are in Nigeria or Africa, you want to use things like Paystack, right? You want to use stuff like Paystack to integrate with collecting money. You want to use stuff like Flutterwave, right? That's what you want to use. If you're in Africa, this tool will collect money for you. You'll be able to charge for your stuff. So it's time for you to get started, right? You can just get started by creating simple apps today using these tools I told you about: Cursor, Replit, Bold.new, and you can start there. The moment you start there, before you know it, you are already creating something that is useful to people. Like, I watched one of Elon Musk's video and he was like, if you want to be useful in this period of AI, all you need to do is to start to create something useful. Be useful, be useful. So create something that people can find useful, and that makes you useful automatically. So here's my quick take, right? You can choose to start a 30-day challenge, right? Create a challenge for yourself on how to go about this stuff. If it's ebook you want to go with, choose, right? Choose what you want to, just pick product you want to go with. Is it an ebook? Is it a template? Is it an app? Just choose one thing. Go for 30 days. I want to be learning about this stuff every single day. I'll watch video and I'll practice it for 30 days, right? You can use tools like ChatGPT and Canva for your learning or for your design at the same time. Whatever thing you are doing, you will need them. Even if you are using AI apps, you will need ChatGPT. So the next thing, you now look for a platform that you can sell any of the products that you decide to go on, right? Go for Gumroad, go for Etsy, depend on what you are doing. If you make your first $1 or $2 up to $10, reinvest it into the business, and that is how you grow a global brand from you sitting in the front of your phone watching a simple video or on your laptop and becoming somebody who literally sells in thousands, if not even millions, by helping other people solve simple problems. So guys, if you have not watched my other video, just click here, go and watch step-by-step videos on how you can start to create your own digital products. And also, if you want to go with creating your own AI app, watch the other video on AI app. See you in the next one.